All right, he worked. We lost him.
You want a danger?
Oh, yeah? We'll see about that.
Danger!
Hey, why you? Ha! Danger! Whoa! Well, this is the great.
We're getting in big trouble.
What the hell are you two doing?
Oh, no, not you.
And right now we're all in very real danger.
What's a danger?
And now it's time for die. One for your lives. Get him.
Oh no, we're dead end. Where's Zazu?
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Ha! That is it? Ha! Do it again. Come on. What the? Huh? If you never come near my son again. Got it, Chase.
Dad, I'm sorry.
You'll be very sorry when we get home.